Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of VMD tutorials. Today we will learn how to get the netted charge of a system with VMD. So to get a netted charge from static system, not a simulation, you need only the PSF file. You don't need the coordinates file, the PDB file, only if the netted charge is saved in the PDB, which is not the common case. So the PSF file contains the charge of the atoms in your system. So to get it, we just need to learn to open VMD, and we're gonna load the new the PSF file. I have just a dummy file here for the tutorial. Okay, and then we're gonna write just one command to get it in the TK console. So the idea is you just make a selection of which part of the system you need to calculate the charge, and then you get the charge of that system. But there's a small trick I want to clarify here. So first I will select, say for the tutorial, I will make a variable called a, set a atom select top protein, which, as you know, could be top all if you need the net charge of all the system, which is the common thing that you usually need, or could be like a specific residue of the system. Okay, so we will make it here for protein, and I will ask VMD for my selection, which is a protein, to get a charge. Okay, but of course it will give you the charge of every atom in the protein, and to get a netted charge, net means we're gonna add all these positive and negative numbers to get a single number, which is the total charge of the protein. And to do that, let me clear that. To do that, we need to use to convert this list into a vector, and then use the vector add command to work on that. So if we said vector add command for a get charge, this will not work. It will give us an error, because in order to make vector add command work on that huge list, you need to pass this argument through evaluation. You need to put this part in a quotation mark, so I will say evaluate. This is a TCL thing. I don't like TCL, but this is how it works. So evaluation and then quotation, and then I will say vector add, and then I will say the same thing for a get charge, and then I'll close it, and then I'll hit enter. Okay, so the total charge of your system is just minus 3.9. This is just for the protein. So that's it. So the single command you need to use is evaluate, vector add, and your selection, and just get a charge. That's it for a static system. But imagine if we want to calculate it over trajectory to see how the charge of the system is changing, which is not a very common thing, but we can do it. We just need to loop over the whole trajectory, which we're gonna make in the next video. That's it, and thank you.